Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to get started with StarryAI, a text-to-image art generator. StarryAI stands as a pioneer in artificial intelligence, dedicated to enhancing your artistic exploration. Through advanced methods, our platform seamlessly integrates with your creative process, transforming your articulated vision into visually striking artworks that encapsulate the essence of your imagination. Regular updates ensure a continuous evolution in the quality of your creations, incorporating the latest advancements in AI technology for a refined and elevated artistic experience. In fostering accessibility, our platform allows you to generate up to 5 artworks daily, free of charge and without intrusive watermarks, enabling you to explore, experiment, and innovate without constraints. What truly sets StarryAI apart is the empowerment bestowed upon artists, complete ownership of your creations. Utilize them seamlessly in your next project. Print them to grace your physical space, or effortlessly share them on social media platforms, showcasing your talent to a global audience. Your artistic journey is uniquely yours, and StarryAI stands steady to amplify and celebrate every facet of the journey, offering boundless creative possibilities where the synergy of your imagination and our AI technology gives rise to art that transcends limitations. So, stay tuned until the end and see how you can use its features. Prior to delving into the tutorial, if you are interested in keeping up to date with the latest AI tools and honing your skills in utilizing them effectively, you are in the correct place. We regularly provide updates and useful insights on integrating AI into modern contexts. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. Now, let us get started with our tutorial. Embarking on your artistic odyssey within the boundless realm of StarryAI is an exciting journey that begins with a simple yet pivotal step: visiting the platform's official website. On arrival, a prominent and inviting Start Creating button captures your attention, signaling the gateway to a world brimming with creative possibilities. However, before delving into the depths of artistic exploration, the first prerequisite involves creating an account, a seamless process that offers the choice of continuing via your Google or Apple account, ensuring a hassle-free entry into the world of creative expression. As the platform loads in mere moments, a treasure trove of free credits awaits, presenting a delightful bonus for newcomers eager to dive into the art-generating experience. By simply clicking on the claim button, users are granted access to these credits, paving the way for immediate engagement within the platform's vibrant and innovative space. Notably, the generosity of StarryAI extends further, offering a daily opportunity to claim 5 free credits at 8 p.m., providing a consistent influx of resources to fuel your artistic endeavors. Navigating the credit system within StarryAI introduces an array of cost-effective options tailored to cater to varying levels of creative output. The pricing structure, delineating the cost per credit, unfolds in a tiered fashion, with 40 credits available for $0.40, 100 for $0.30, 200 for $0.25, 500 for $0.20, and a substantial 1,000 credits for a mere $0.15 per credit. A discerning eye might notice that the bulk purchasing option significantly reduces the cost per credit, amplifying the value proposition and encouraging users to invest in larger credit bundles, thereby unlocking an expansive array of artistic potential. Crucially, understanding the correlation between credits and image generation is imperative. Each credit serves as a key to unlocking the generation of a single image within the platform. Therefore, procuring a substantial bundle, such as the 1,000 credit option, translates into an astonishing capacity to generate a staggering 1,000 images. This abundance of resources offers artists an unparalleled opportunity to experiment, refine, and innovate within the realm of AI-generated art, amplifying the scope and depth of their creative output. StarryAI's strategic credit system, thus, stands as a gateway to a universe brimming with creative prospects, empowering users to unleash their imagination and transform visions into tangible, visually stunning artworks. As users navigate this credit-based landscape, the platform serves as an unbounded canvas, beckoning creators to paint their stories, ideas, and dreams through the seamless fusion of human creativity and cutting-edge AI technology. As you continue your creative exploration on StarryAI, the Creations tab becomes your personalized gallery, a digital repository of the projects you have crafted in the past. This feature proves invaluable when seeking to rediscover images generated long ago, offering a convenient and organized way to revisit your artistic journey. But that is not all. The platform extends its offerings with additional tabs, including Project, Styles, and Explore. Within the Project tab, users can systematically organize their work, providing a structured approach to managing and categorizing their artistic endeavors. The Styles and Explore tabs, on the other hand, open doors to a vast expanse of creativity by showcasing the diverse creations of fellow users. This not only serves as a source of inspiration, but also offers insights into the creative process. By clicking on these images, users can delve deeper into the prompts and settings used, gaining valuable knowledge on the artistic techniques employed. The platform elevates this collaborative experience by introducing a feature that allows users to replicate or build upon the creative foundations laid by others. For instance, clicking on a specific image in the Explore tab reveals a copy setting option. Upon selecting this, users gain the ability to directly generate using the same prompt. What sets this apart is the flexibility it provides. Users can tweak the style, upload an image, adjust canvas size, runtime, and seed to tailor the creative process to their liking. However, certain considerations come into play, especially for free users. Canvas size options beyond the standard 4:5 ratio are reserved for those with a Pro account. Similarly, the ability to upscale for enhanced image quality requires credits, and delving into the realm of 4K resolution necessitates a Pro account. These nuances aside, users retain the power to shape their creations by modifying text prompts, adding or removing elements as desired. Once satisfied with the adjustments made, a simple click on the Generate button initiates the rendering process. The evolving image is displayed on the right side, prompting anticipation as users witness the transformation unfold. As the image loads to completion, users are met with the gratification of a newly generated AI masterpiece. Post-generation, a plethora of options beckons users, offering the ability to share, download, edit via the Evolve option, enhance image quality through upscale with credit requirements, delete or publish their work. The Publish feature introduces an interesting element. Users can choose to hide prompts upon publishing, ensuring a level of privacy while still showcasing the final image. In essence, StarryAI not only serves as an advanced AI art generator, but also as a collaborative platform where users can draw inspiration from others, explore diverse artistic styles, and shape their creative visions. The array of features and customization options empowers users to transcend boundaries, making their mark in the digital landscape of AI-generated art. Venturing into the realm of self-expression within StarryAI, let us embark on a journey of artistic creation stands the reliance on prompts generated by others. Begin this creative odyssey by selecting the Create option, a gateway to a plethora of possibilities awaiting exploration. A pivotal decision awaits as you navigate through the options of art, photos, illustrations, or to personalize your styles. The choice is yours, allowing for a tailored creative experience that aligns with your artistic vision. For this demonstration, the focus will be on the illustrations category, canvas brimming with potential. Within the illustrations realm, the absence of prompts need not impede the creative flow. StarryAI provides a useful feature, the option to suggest prompts. However, opting to forgo these suggestions allows for the crafting of a unique and personalized prompt. In this instance, let's craft a prompt that resonates with a specific vision. Bag, vintage, 4K. Further refining the creative process, The style is adjusted to stickers before clicking the magical generate button. A moment of anticipation ensues as the platform orchestrates a symphony of algorithms, and within a minute, the screen unveils a newly generated image, a visual manifestation of the crafted prompt. This process exemplifies the fluidity and adaptability of StarryAI, emphasizing user autonomy in generating art that resonates personally. It becomes a dynamic dialogue between the user's imagination and the platform's advanced AI capabilities. The resulting image stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of human creativity and artificial intelligence, showcasing the potential for unique and tailored visual expressions. Embarking on an expansive and visually stimulating journey within the realms of StarryAI, let us navigate the innovative landscape of the photo category. This fascinating exploration invites users to transcend traditional artistic boundaries by uploading an image that serves as the foundational inspiration for the AI-driven creative process. As the user, you hold the reins to shape the narrative and aesthetic qualities of this visual symphony. We can start with the selection of the photo option, an entrance into a realm where uploaded images metamorphose into unique and imaginative creations. Upon uploading your chosen image, the platform introduces a nuanced control, the image strength parameter. This dynamic feature grants users the ability to fine-tune the influence of the reference image on the final generated masterpiece. Whether you seek a faithful recreation or wish to infuse the AI with a greater degree of interpretive freedom, the image strength setting becomes the compass guiding the AI's creative journey. Having laid the groundwork within the image and image strength, the Creative Voyage unfolds further with crafting of a text prompt and the selection of a preferred style. This stage is where user intent converges with artificial intelligence, fostering a symbiotic relationship between the linguistic and aesthetic inputs. The text prompt and chosen style become integral components of a visual dialogue, allowing users to express their creative vision and guide the AI towards the desired thematic and stylistic nuances. The culmination of this collaborative effort is marked by a simple yet profound action: clicking on the generate button. In this moment, the platform's sophisticated algorithms spring into action, weaving together the user's input and the reference image to birth a newly generated creation. The resulting image becomes a captivating reflection of the original reference, a testament to the harmonious convergence of human intent and technological prowess within the realm of AI-generated art. Now, here is something cool. This platform also lets you switch between night mode and light mode. If you prefer a darker or lighter look, just click the sun button. To sum it up, StarryAI distinguishes itself with a user-friendly interface, ensuring accessibility for individuals at all skill levels, including beginners. The budget-conscious pricing for credits further enhances its attractiveness, providing an economical option for generating AI images. For those in search of a versatile and affordable platform to transform their creative ideas into reality, StarryAI Art is also a good choice. Now, if you have a thorough understanding of the platform, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Considering trying it out? Share your feedback on its features in the comments. Your insights are valuable, and I am here to address any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.